Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited.
A very good morning to all the students of class 5th. Dear student, today we will study the 5th chapter of social science named as the hot dry desert. Dear student, we will study this chapter from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, before moving the chapter, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter, what you will learn in this chapter. So, dear student, in this chapter you will learn about the hot dry desert, the location and the climate of hot dry desert. In the second, as you can see in my screen, in the second you will learn about vegetation and wildlife of the hot dry desert. In the third, you will learn about life of the people in the hot dry desert. And lastly, you will learn about the industries of the hot dry desert. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter 5. So, dear student, this is our book, Our Land, Our World, a book of social science. Dear student, from this book, we will study the 5th chapter of social science. So, dear student, this is chapter 5, the hot, dry desert. Dear student, very first, you should know what is desert. What is the definition of desert? Dear student, here I am sharing my notes with you, which will help you to understand chapter clearly. So let's begin with the chapter. So, dear student, what is desert? Dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of desert. Dear student, desert is a region where little or nothing grows. जहाँ पर कुछ बहुत थोड़ा या कुछ भी पैदा नहीं होता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? डेजर्ट कहते हैं. Desert are usually formed because of lack of rain. तो डेजर्ट क्या होते हैं? कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? जहाँ पर पानी बारिश कम होती है, उस जगह को क्या हम बोलते हैं? उस जगह को हम डेजर्ट बोलते हैं. इन ट्रॉपिकल रीजन में जहाँ पर एनुअल रेनफॉल जो होता है वो 30 सेंटीमीटर से कम होता है, तो वहां पर डेजर्ट बनता है. कहाँ पर? ट्रॉपिकल रीजन में जहाँ पर एनुअल रेनफॉल 30 सेंटीमीटर से कम होता है, वो डेजर्ट बनाता है. टेम्परेट रीजन में क्या होता है? जहां पर एनुअल रेनफॉल लेस देन 20 सेंटीमीटर होता है, वो एक डेजर्ट बनाता है. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड दैट यू शुड नो. इन ट्रॉपिकल रीजन एनुअल रेनफॉल less than 30 centimeter cause a desert. This is very important point that you should know, which will also consider as a question. In temperate region, annual rainfall is less than 20 centimeter, which causes desert. Dear student, desert may be sandy, stony or salty. Desert sandy हो सकते हैं, जो बालू होती है उसके हो सकते हैं, स्टोनी हो सकते हैं और सॉल्टी हो सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल पार्ट ऑफ डेजर्ट. डियर स्टूडेंट, now we will discuss about type of desert. How many types of desert? So there are two types of desert. Number one, hot desert, and number two, cold desert. So dear student, this is the pictorial part of hot desert and this is the pictorial part of cold desert. Dear student, let's move ahead and understand about the first types of desert, that is hot desert. As I am highlighting it, what is a hot desert? That is very important that you should know. So what is hot desert? All the hot deserts are near the tropics. Dear student, in the northern hemisphere, the Tropic of Cancer passes through the hot desert. So, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एरिया में क्या होता है, जो डेजर्ट्स होते हैं वो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर लाइन से होके जाते हैं. इन द साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में क्या होता है, द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न पासिस थ्रू द 3 हॉट डेजर्ट. जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर लाइन है वो कहाँ से होके जाती है, 3 डेजर्ट से होके जाती है, 3 हॉट डेजर्ट से होके जाती है. So as we have already discussed in our previous classes about northern hemisphere and about southern hemisphere. So dear student, अगर आप ग्लोब को देखेंगे तो इक्वेटर लाइन से, इक्वेटर लाइन जो बीच की लाइन होती है जो ग्लोब को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है, तो जो ऊपर का पार्ट है, नॉर्थ पार्ट है, उसे हम नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर कहते हैं और जो नीचे का पार्ट है उसे हम साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर कहते हैं. नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर लाइन होती है एंड साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न लाइन होती है. सो दिस इज द सेम थिंग. The major hot desert of the world are located on the western coast of continent between latitude 15 degree and 30 degree north and south. So, dear student, let's move ahead. Okay, now we will discuss about the main hot desert of northern hemisphere and the main hot desert of southern hemisphere. Dear student, as there are 4 main hot desert of northern hemisphere, as you can see in my screen too. The first one is, the first main hot desert of northern hemisphere is the Colorado Desert of North America. The second one is the Sahara Desert of North Africa. As I am again highlighting it, the Arabian Desert laying between the Red Sea and Persian Gulf. The fourth one is the Thar Desert in the northwest of India. So these 4 are the main hot desert of the northern hemisphere. So the main hot desert of the southern hemispheres are the Atacama Desert of South America, the Namib and Kalahari Desert of South Africa, and the Australian Desert. So these 3 are the main hot desert of southern hemisphere. Dear student, Saudi Arabia is the main country of Arabian Desert. So Saudi Arabia Arabian Desert की एक main country है. So here it is a good example of hot dry desert. तो यहाँ पर hot dry desert को समझने के लिए सऊदी अरेबिया जो अरेबियन डेजर्ट की एक मेन कंट्री है, एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. तो हम हॉट डेजर्ट को किससे समझेंगे, सऊदी अरेबिया से को का पॉइंट लेके समझेंगे. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड अंडरस्टैंड द फर्स्ट लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द चैप्टर. Okay, this is first learning objective of the chapter, that is location and climate. Let's understand location and climate. So dear student, let's understand location and climate. As you can see in my screen, Saudi Arabia lies between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. सऊदी अरेबिया कहाँ है, रेड सी और पर्शियन गल्फ के बीच में है. इट ऑक्यूपाइज most of the Arabian Peninsula that is surrounded by the sea on 3 sides. Dear student, as peninsula word itself is describing the Saudi Arabia is surrounded by 3 water bodies. So dear student, this is the definition of peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is almost entirely surrounded by water, but it is connected to the mainland on one side. That is called peninsula. Dear student, Saudi Arabia is situated to the west of India. Dear student, this is very important question. Where is Saudi Arabia? Where is Saudi Arabia? in the part of India. So it is situated at to the west of India. Dear student, it is bordered by Oman, Yemen, Jordan, Kuwait, Iraq, Qatar and UAE. Dear student, the whole country of Saudi Arabia is a big rocky plateaus occupied by a desert. It is sandy desert land broken by the rocky hills. So, dear student, let's move ahead. Along the west coast of Saudi Arabia, there is narrow coastal plain beside the sea and the high mountain. There is also coastal plains in the eastern part of country. Saudi Arabia has a very harsh climate. This is again very important question. What kind of climate is in Saudi Arabia? So in Saudi Arabia, it has a harsh climate. The sky is cloudless and the rays of the sun are practically direct all the year round. Due to this, the area is very hot. So the sun becomes very hot very soon. In summer, it becomes so hot at noon that one cannot walk even 100 meters. तो जो सन की रेज है वो डायरेक्ट सिटी पर पड़ती हैं, डायरेक्ट सऊदी अरेबिया में आती हैं, जिस वजह से वो बहुत ही गर्म रहता है। वो इतना डेजर्ट गर्म रहता है कि हम उसमें 100 मीटर्स भी वॉक नहीं कर सकते हैं। The nights are cool and pleasant because the sun loses its heat very fast. जो सैंड है वो बहुत जल्दी अपनी हीट को रिलीज करता है, इस वजह से जो नाइट होती है, जो रातें होती हैं, वो प्लीजेंट होती हैं, न ज्यादा गर्म और न ज्यादा ठंडी होती है। प्लीजेंट मीन्स न ज्यादा गर्म न ज्यादा ठंडा। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, let's discuss about sandstorm. So dear student, as I am highlighting it, and this is very important question, during the day hot and dusty wind blow with speed. दिन में क्या होता है, गर्म दिनों में क्या होता है, डस्टी विंड बहुत स्पीड के साथ चलती है। These winds are so strong, ये जो विंड होती है, ये जो हवाएं होती हैं, बहुत तेज होती हैं। They move huge masses of sand. So these winds are called sandstorm. तो ऐसी जो तेज हवाएं होती हैं, तेज गर्म हवाएं होती हैं, इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, इन्हें सैंडस्टॉर्म बोलते हैं। They may last 3 to 4 hours. तो ये जो हवाएं होती हैं 3-4 घंटे के लिए रुकती हैं और huge piles of sand called sand dunes क्या करती हैं, बहुत ज्यादा मिट्टी उड़ा के, सैंड उड़ा के लाती हैं। और आप जैसा कि आप पिक्चर पे देख पा रहे हैं, huge piles of sand का एक शेप बनाती हैं, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, सैंड ड्यून्स कहते हैं, आर which are shifted by it from one place to other. So there are a few hill stations like Abha in Saudi Arabia which are quite cool in summer. So again, this is very important thing, an important question. Which hill station in Saudi Arabia are quite cool in summer? So the answer is Abha in Saudi Arabia are quite cool in the summer. These hills are quite cool in the summer. So dear student, this is the location and climate, which is first learning objective of the chapter. So this is second learning objective of the chapter, which is vegetation and wildlife of hot and dry desert. So let's discuss about vegetation and wildlife. Dear student, the desert land is almost treeless because there is a little rain. बारिश की कमी के कारण जो डेजर्ट है वो ट्रीलेस होते हैं, जहाँ पर पेड़ बहुत कम मात्रा में पाए जाते हैं। तो एक ऐसा प्लांट है जो डेजर्ट में पाया जाता है, उसके बारे में हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज कैक्टस। सो इट इज द मोस्ट common plant of this region. सो जो कैक्टस है वो डेजर्ट का एक मोस्ट कॉमन प्लांट है विच हैज सर्वाइव, जो वहां पर उगता है. इट हैज अडॉप्टेड टू दिस एनवायरमेंट, तो जिसने जो डेजर्ट का एनवायरमेंट है उसको अडॉप्ट किया है. इट हैज सॉफ्ट fleshy stem to store water. It has no leaves through which its moisture and can evaporate. It has thorns to protect from animals. So, dear student, as I am removing it and move ahead, so let's discuss about oasis. What is oasis? So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of oasis. As I am zooming it, this is the pictorial part of oasis. Dear student, let's understand what is it. So, as I am highlighting it, there are places where there is a store of underground water. People dig deep well to draw it. The water is drawn up in a big buckets tied with long ropes that are pulled by camels. तो एक एरिया होता है जिसके चारों ओर लैंड होता है और बीच में कुछ पानी स्टोर रहता है, जिससे जहां पर जमीन से कुछ पानी निकलता है. In the desert there are few green spots that are called oases. तो डेजर्ट में कुछ ग्रीन स्पॉट्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम ओएसिस कहते हैं, जहां पर जमीन से पानी निकलता है, चारों ओर लैंड होता है. तो डेजर्ट के उस ग्रीन एरिया स्पॉट को हम ओएसिस कहते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, people use the land close to the oasis to grow food crops like wheat, barley, melon and dates. So these are the common food or famous food of desert. Dear student, dates grow on a species of palm tree called dates palm. It is sweet and nutritious. So, as I am removing it, so dear student, as I am again highlighting it, because of hunting ostrich and because of ibex have almost disappeared, but gazelles have survived. So, dear students, as you all know, the baboons, dear student, baboons, hyenas and ibexes also exist in a large number. As I am shifting it, numbers, there live a lot of insects. So this is about oasis. This is the pictorial part of oasis. Dear student, as I am removing it, so let's discuss about the third learning objective of the chapter, that is life of the people in desert. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, people of Saudi Arabia can divide into three groups. There are three types of group. So first is nomads, second is oasis dwellers, and third one is city dwellers. Dear student, let's discuss the nomads first. So, dear student, let's understand the life of the people in the hot desert area of Saudi Arabia. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, nomads, which is, so let's discuss nomads. A large number of Saudi Arabian are nomads. A large number of Saudi Arabian are nomads. They keep moving from place to place on their lives. उन्हें अपनी जिंदगी बिताने के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो मूव करते रहते हैं. Environment has made them tough and courageous. जो environment होता है वो उन्हें strong और बहादुर बना देता है. They are called Bedouins. So जो सऊदी अरेबिया के नोमैड्स होते हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपनी लाइफ को बिताने के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? बेडोविन्स कहते हैं, बेडोविन्स कहते हैं। सो दे कीप हर्ड्स ऑफ शीप, वो क्या करते हैं? जो भेड़ होती है उनके ग्रुप को, दे कीप herd of sheep, goats and camels and a few horses. वो भेड़ों के ग्रुप को, बकरियों को, कैमल्स को और घोड़ों को अपने साथ रखते हैं. They wandered with their herds in search of water and green pastures. They stay in tents made of cloths and animal hides. कहाँ पर रहते हैं वो? टेंट्स में रहते हैं. The animal are their wealth. एनिमल्स क्या है? उनकी वेल्थ है, उनकी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम होती है. The animals provide them with all their needs. जो एनिमल्स होते हैं वो उनकी सारी नीड्स को पूरा करते हैं, जैसे डेली मिल्क एंड चीज एंड समटाइम मीट आल्सो. From their hair, the Bedouins make cloths, carpets and robes. तो जो sheep होती है, भेड़ होती है, उसके बालों से वो क्या बनाते हैं? कपड़े बनाते हैं, कारपेट बनाते हैं और robes बनाते हैं. Animal hide is used for making cloths, footwears and water bags. Dear student, Bedouins always travel in a group with long lines of camel either riding on them or loading their goods on them. तो जो Bedouins होते हैं वो एक लार्ज ग्रुप में जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ ग्रुप बना के ट्रेवल करते हैं, जिसमें जो ऊंट होते हैं उनका इस्तेमाल या तो वो उनके ऊपर बैठकर जाते हैं या फिर उनके ऊपर सामान रखते हैं, अपने सामान को लोड करके करते हैं. सो दीज ग्रुप आर कॉल्ड कारावान्स. तो जो ये ग्रुप होते हैं उन्हें क्या हम बोलते हैं? कारावान्स. तो ये जो ग्रुप होते हैं जिनमें बेडोविन्स चलते हैं उन्हें हम कारावान्स कहते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, लेट्स मूव अहेड. Okay, so as I am highlighting it, they exchange these things with the oasis dwellers for dates, grain, salt, coffee and medicines. The Bedouins wear large loose white robes and a white cloth covering their heads. White color का cloth होता है जो अपने सर पे पहनते हैं. Their flowing robes and head cloths protect them from the glaring heat of the sun and the coldness of night. The Bedouins ladies are very fond of ornaments. जो Bedouins ladies होती हैं उन्हें ornaments का बहुत ज़्यादा craze होता है. The camel is very important for traveling in the desert as its white feet do not shake into the sand. जो कैमल्स होते हैं, जो ऊंट होते हैं, वो डेजर्ट में ट्रेवल करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं? क्योंकि जो उनके पैर होते हैं वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं और वो रेत में शिंक नहीं करते हैं. It can cover more area in one step with its long legs than other animal. बाकी एनिमल से बहुत ज्यादा एक स्टेप में लंबी दूरी वो तय करते हैं. It can travel without food and water weeks. वो बिना पानी के, बिना खाने के कई हफ्तों तक सरवाइव कर सकते हैं, वो रह सकते हैं. It can drink and store water in its stomach. अपने पेट में वो बहुत पानी को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. For about 3 weeks. 3 हफ्तों तक वो अपने पेट में पानी को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए therefore the camel is called the ship of desert. इसीलिए जो ऊंट है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? जो ऊंट है उसे हम शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट कहते हैं, रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Which animal is called as the ship of desert? So camel is called as the ship of desert. Dear student, in the second we will discuss about oasis dwellers. Let's understand oasis dwellers. So dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you. Let's understand oasis dwellers. What is oasis dwellers? Dear student, many of the Saudi Arabians are farmers. They live in houses built uh, of mud bricks which keep it cool inside. A small village might be built around a single well. They grow crops and exchange with the Bedouins. Dear student, discovery of mineral oil in eastern province has changed the life here. Mineral oil is of great demand all over the world. Now there are huge multi-storied buildings made of bricks, concrete and cement. Big cars, buses and trucks run on board concrete roads. Dear student, all the modern facility of life like food, school, colleges, hospital, air conditioner, houses, fast food, swimming pools, telephones, television, VCR, and computer are available in the cities. These all are created by selling mineral oil. So it is called liquid gold. Dear student, जो mineral oil होता है वो वहाँ के oasis dwellers का मेन ऑक्यूपेशन होता है. मिनरल ऑयल को सेल करके वहाँ के लोग ये सारी सुख सुविधाएं पाते हैं. इसलिए मिनरल ऑयल को लिक्विड गोल्ड बोला जाता है. मिनरल ऑयल को क्या बोलते हैं? लिक्विड गोल्ड बोलते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द city dwellers. What is city dwellers? So dear student, now cities are growing and developing in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia की cities जो हैं अब काफी develop हो रही हैं. The large city in the country are, so dear student, there are many large countries in the Saudi Arabia. So these are Jeddah, Makkah and Riyadh. Dear student, Riyadh is the busy seaport of Saudi Arabia. It has a big airport also. People from far and near come here by sea and air. Dear student, from here they go to Makkah. Dear student, as Makkah is the main center of pilgrimage for the Muslim. This is the pilgrimage is called Hajj. So, dear student, this is very important that you should know Makkah is the main center of pilgrimage for the Muslims. This pilgrimage is called Hajj. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Hajj बोलते हैं. Dear student, Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. Dear student, this is very important question. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? So, the answer is Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia. Dear student, modern roads and airways connect these cities. जो roads हैं, modern roads बनी हुई है और modern airways हैं जो इन cities को connect करते हैं. Dear student, let's move ahead. The last learning objective of the chapter, that is industries. So let's understand. As I am highlighting it, refineries have been set up to refine mineral oil into petrol, diesel, kerosene and gasoline. Dear student, petrochemical, iron and steel, fertilizer and cement are other main industries. Textile, leather, soap, handicrafts and processed food are some of the small scale industries. Dear student, now tractor and other machines are used in agriculture farms. New sources of water are being discovered. Salt is removed from sea water and that water is used for drinking and agriculture. जो salt है वो समुद्र के पानी से निकाला जाता है, छाना जाता है और वो पानी पीने के लिए और एग्रीकल्चर खेती के लिए यूज होता है. So dear student, Alfalfa grass is to be grown by new methods and will be used to rear sheep and cattle on a large scale. So, this is all about industries and this is all about the chapter 5th. So, dear student, this is all about chapter 5, the hot, dry desert. So, dear student, from the book Our Land, Our War, let's take a look in the important point. So, as we have already discussed, desert are large area of land where little or nothing grows. All the hot desert are near tropics. We have already discussed. Saudi Arabia is the example of hot, dry, sandy and rocky desert. Dear student, in the summer the desert is very hot. In the winter it is warm during the day and in the night it is cold. Dear student, cactus is the most common plant of the desert. People grow dates, melon, wheat and barley near oases. Dear student, Bedouins keep on moving with their herds in search of water and green pastures. Saudi Arabia is now very rich and modern country just because of mineral oil. And we have already discussed mineral oil is called as liquid gold. Muslims all over the world go to Mecca in Saudi Arabia for Hajj. So, dear student, this is all about chapter 5th. So, this is all about hot, dry desert. Thank you.
Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited.